what's going on, guys? Brett Ferguson, realtor here, coming to you guys with another video today. And I just wanted to come to you guys with a part 2 to the video that I made on Sunday, which talked about credit repair services. In that video, I talked a little bit about, not all credit repair companies are equal. Each one has things that work, things that don't, but a lot of them have things that you can do on your own, right? What I've noticed right now with a lot of my buyers is that credit is one of the biggest barriers to getting the home that you want, or getting the payment that you want, getting the types of interest rate that you want. Inside of your loan, right, your interest is one of your payment portions. Inside of your mortgage payment, there's 4 components. There's the principal that you're paying back, which you borrowed, your interest, which your credit score has pretty much everything to do with, your taxes. You got to pay your taxes yearly, and it's inside of your mortgage payment, and your insurance. If you are getting a property, FHA, government loan, anything where you're not putting 20% down on that property, you're going to need to have insurance on that property. But we're going to talk a little bit more about the credit today, and I wanted to go into more detail about a company that I talked about inside of the video on Sunday. And that company was called FES, which is Financial Education Services. What I'm going to do today is talk about a Federal Trade Commission article right from FTC.gov. I'll probably leave the link somewhere in this video description that talks about what happened with this credit repair company, right? This article came out May 31st, 2022, which talks about the FTC shutting down this credit repair company that also doubled as a pyramid scheme. I found this to be completely fascinating. Pyramid scheme, credit repair company, all in one. And it's interesting because I've actually done business with people from this particular company. I found that the things that they do work, but they overcharge you because you can do a lot of these things on your own. I do think that their motivations or their intentions might have been in the right place, but we'll go more into the video, or we'll go more into the topic here. So I'll go into the article. It says here, for the second time this month, the FTC has sued a credit repair operation that says it combines fake promises to swiftly and substantially boost people's credit scores with the offer of bogus money-making opportunities selling credit repair services. In the latest scheme, the FTC says supposed money-making opportunity was a pyramid scheme. The complaint alleges that Michigan-based Financial Education Services, 5 related companies and owners, Paramal Naik, Michael Toloff, Christopher Toloff, and Gerald Thompson, built customers out of more than $213 million. At the FTC's request, a federal court has frozen those defendants' assets and appointed a receiver in order to halt the allegedly illegal operations funding pending further proceedings in the case. The FTC's that FES, which is Financial Education Services, which also does business as United Wealth Services. So if you're out there, United Wealth Services, be careful. Uses social media, telemarketing, and nationwide network of sales agents to promote its credit repair services in Spanish and English. It claims it can boost people's credit scores by hundreds of points in a short amount of time by permanently removing information like collection accounts and late payments from their credit reports. But the FTC says the FES does neither. For example, it purportedly removed negative information. FES emails clients uneditable form letters to print, sign, and send to credit bureaus. The letters challenge all or most negative items in the client's credit report, but the challenges, without supporting documents, rarely result in removal of the items. This is a really great point. One of the first things that people who help you do credit repair say is to just dispute everything. Now, I don't say that that's a bad thing because some of those things may really be able to be disputed. Sometimes it can't be proven on how long those things are there. Again, let me backtrack. I'm not a credit specialist. I'm a realtor. I'm just telling you what I know. You can just go ahead and make these letters. You can find these templates on your own. So for them to charge you to give you these templates to dispute things on your credit report is not really the best thing to do. Okay, that's my opinion. You can find these templates online, or you can figure out how to do them on your own without paying such an upcharge. The complaint says that FES charges people $99 up front and a reoccurring $89 a month. It's illegal for a credit repair company to charge people before fully performing services it promises. In addition, the complaint says FES didn't give people information that the Credit Repair Organization Act requires, including signed contracts that disclose what the services will provide, the total cost of services, and its refund and cancellation policies. If you're out there, these are things that you need to make sure that your credit repair company is giving you. Signed contracts that disclose services, total cost of service, a refund and cancellation policy. If those aren't brought up in whatever credit repair company you're choosing, that's an issue. The complaint alleges that the repair scheme and pyramid scheme are intertwined. The FTC says FES pressures customers who inquire about its credit repair services to become FES agents. The company says that the agents can earn tens of thousands of dollars a month selling FES services to other consumers, recruits, et cetera, et cetera. This is the pyramid scheme portion of it, which is dicey territory. Multi-level marketing, pyramid schemes. I'm going to do a whole series on those because I've been in every last one. And from what I can tell you is that it's a perplexing and complex system, and it really doesn't work for everybody doing multi-level marketing and what people call pyramid schemes, which is where you need to not sell a product to make money, but you have to constantly recruit people for a service to make money. You have to have people constantly coming in, and that's where your bulk of your income is from, recruiting people to be under you, not selling a product or service. So that's kind of the breakdown of what that is. So it looks like this company was not only doing things that are outside of the scope of credit repair, what they should be doing for credit repair, they were also hawking multi-level marketing all in one. So pretty dicey territory. The FTC says FE Financial Education Services reported business opportunities that requires its agents to pay $299 up front plus $89 a month thereafter for its repair services, even if you don't need them. And the FT says, in classic pyramid scheme style, FES incentivizes recruiting new agents into the business over selling credit repair services. That's a pyramid scheme. The complaint charges that the company's practices violate the FTC Act, the CROA, and the telemarketing sales rule. It follows the FTC's complaints earlier this month, charging the credit game and its owners with operating a scam credit repair operation that also pitched a bogus business opportunity. The FTC, that opportunity was essentially for people to turn their COVID-19 government benefits to the defendants, which are this credit company, to learn how to start their own credit repair business. It seems like we're taking a hard look at money making schemes. It seems like the FTC is taking a hard look at money-making schemes that target people who are in financial distress or trying to get ahead. As for what's next, the FTC says it's launching a rulemaking in February, launched a full rulemaking back in February to address deceptive or unfair marketing using earnings claims. If finalized, the rule would allow the FTC to recover redress for defrauded customers and seek steep penalties against any multi-level marketers and other bad actors who hope to prey on people's hopes for economic advancement. Stay tuned. So that to me is very interesting. Again, not all credit repair companies are equal. I'm not saying that there aren't credit repair companies that properly do everything, but most people who are looking for credit repair want to buy a home or want to buy a big ticket item or want to, get their life on a certain track. And sometimes are in financial distress or have a large lump sum of money and aren't quite sure how to maneuver getting their credit together. So you're prey. So as your realtor, before you go out and buy a home and you're trying to get your credit together and you're scanning through different credit repair opportunities or credit repair companies, be aware of ones that don't follow what the FTC guidelines are on the things that you should know. Okay, so if you guys want more on this article, I'm going to leave a link in the description. This is from ftc.gov. And yeah, so that's the video for today. This is part 2 of not all credit companies are made equal. Hope you guys like the video, and make sure you like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Bert Ferguson Realtor, and you can find me on any social media at BFerg Realtor. All right, guys, so take care. Talk to you